Hey everyone, welcome back. Today I'm excited to walk you through a super useful tutorial, how to connect your OKX account directly to TradingView so you can trade seamlessly without ever leaving the TradingView platform. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to set up the connection, understand each step along the way, and you'll be all set to take advantage of the powerful TradingView interface for managing your OKX trades. Let's dive right in. The first thing you'll want to do is simply head over to TradingView. If you're already familiar with the site, you know just how intuitive the layout is, but if you're newer, don't worry, I'll walk you through every click. Once you're on the TradingView website, look up toward the top of the page. You'll see a row of options and one of them is labeled Products. Go ahead and click on Products. This opens up a menu with a lot of different tools TradingView has to offer, but for our purposes, you're going to want to scroll down just a touch and find the option that says Trading Panel. Think of the Trading Panel as your command center for broker integrations. Once you're in the trading panel, glance down to the very bottom of the panel. You'll notice a list labeled All Brokers. This is where TradingView shows all the available brokers that you can connect to your account. Take your time here since there are quite a few options, but what we're looking for specifically is OKX. It might take a few seconds to spot it among the other names, so just scroll patiently until you see the OKX logo. Found it? Great, give it a click. Now, something helpful here. Once you select OKX, TradingView is going to prompt you to choose whether you want to connect in live mode or in demo mode. If you're just testing things out or want to get comfortable with the setup before using real funds, demo is a fantastic place to start. Don't worry if you're not sure which one to pick. Demo mode is risk-free, while live will give you full access to your actual OKX account for real trading. Go ahead and select the option that fits your needs best. After you choose, you'll see a big Connect button. Click that and TradingView will now ask you to log into your OKX account. This is an important security step to make sure only you are connecting your accounts. Here you might also be asked to go through a verification process. Usually this means entering a code they send to your email or phone number. Just follow the prompts. It can take a minute for the verification to arrive, so don't worry if there's a short delay. Once you finish the verification and your accounts are linked up, you'll notice a fantastic new feature. An additional Trade tab will appear at the bottom of your TradingView interface. This is your proof that everything was connected successfully. Now you're able to place trades, manage positions, and execute strategies right from TradingView, leveraging all that charting power with OKX's market access. And that's all there is to it. It really is a straightforward process once you know where to click and what to watch out for. If you found this walkthrough helpful, please give the video a thumbs up, leave a comment if you have any questions or get stuck at any point, and absolutely subscribe if you want more tutorials, tips, and tricks on making your trading life easier. Thanks for watching and happy trading.